welcome back to another video. It is your girl Julia, and I haven't posted a video in a couple of weeks because I felt like it wasn't the right time to, with everything that has been going on. So this video is just gonna be about the main star, the GoPro. I'm still using a GoPro Hero 5 Black. I see nothing wrong with the image quality or anything. There's a lot of people out there that are still using the GoPro Hero like 4 and Hero Plus, but it only takes you to, produce the image. But these are going to be some of my favorite accessories for the GoPro. Doesn't matter if you have like a 4 or 5, doesn't even matter. First off, it's going to have to be the dual battery charger. I did get this from GoPro. It's like 2 things out of everything here that is not originally from GoPro. These batteries are from like off of Amazon, and I got this dual battery charger when I got my GoPro a while back. It was like in a Sam's bundle. So basically I got 2 batteries. One came with the camera, and then it was the extra one, and then the dual battery charger. So this is what it looks like. If it'll focus. Sorry, don't know what's going on with the autofocus. But yeah, that is like, this is a lifesaver, because just by turning on the GoPro and going through the settings and stuff like that, you can lose from somewhere from like 3 to 10% just by doing that. Next up will have to be like a portable charger. This one was from Belkin. That's when I believe it was Office Depot or Staples. It was something like that. They were going out of business, so I took it upon myself to go in there and see if I could find me anything. Found this, and this is what started my portable charger obsession. So I have a lot of them now. When you're with me, you'll never run out of power. But this is just I think a 6,000. No, this is just a 4,000. You can just plug a cable in right here, put it in the USB, and charge. Do mind though, if you do get this capacity, it will run out really fast. So I recommend like a 10,000. But since this goes in the GoPro kit, and I don't use my GoPro that very often, I feel like it'll be a better thing to go in there. Next up, which are the 2 things that are on the GoPro. The first thing is the GoPro Shorty. I have used a cheaper version of the GoPro Shorty, and I did not really like it. It's like once you put it up, like all the way like this, the middle column will start like falling down. But with this, you have a little bit more. You have a little bit more friction. So take some force if you want to do that. So I really highly recommend. I believe like the GoPro batteries and this, you should not skimp out on. There are some like Amazon brands that a lot of people have recovered and like, but most of the time I feel like going with the actual company, even though it's a little bit more expensive, will save you in the long run. So your GoPro won't fall, hit the ground, break a lens, anything like that. The next 2 things, I know it's a whole 3 thing going on, but the next 2 things would be the GoPro mic adapter, and then just a small microphone for the GoPro. I know a lot of people use like the shotgun mic. You can use a wireless lav mic, but didn't want to do that. But this ceremonic, let's see if it can pull up. This ceremonic microphone, I believe a lot of people have seen this. This is a good microphone. I really like the sound that comes from it. You can get another microphone kind of like this, and I think it does like a stereo sound, so you can pick up audio from either way. But then the best part about this is you can easily flip it, and if you're walking around and you're vlogging, you can still talk to it, but the audio won't be coming or sound muffled. Next on my list is if you do like water sports or anything, highly recommend the GoPro Floaty grip. You can even use this without having to use the Shorty, and you can vlog like this. If that's your only camera and you do like a lot of water sports, that'd be good. Excuse me. Next, I got this so I can clip it onto my backpack. It's the swivel mount. You can turn it 360 degrees, and it has a magnet on the back. I don't have anything magnet here. Let's see. Well, that shows you. So yeah, this you can like stick it on a refrigerator or anything, get different types of angles, and then you can also like clip it on your backpack, and you can have like that point of view angle, which I really like in some videos. And then most of the time when we are able to go back to the airports and walk around and travel like we have been, this would be a good angle if you're like vlogging but you want to get like a different shot and you want to be hands-free. This would be the best bet for you. Next, I have, depending on what type of situation you are in, the GoPro chest mount. Like if you're riding a jet ski, you ride a motorcycle, bicycle, skateboarding, fishing, you want to get that different point of view. It's basically a lot of things that you can do with this. And then last but not least, you have two choices between cases. Let me zip this up so nothing falls out. So you have two choices between GoPro cases. This one though I got with the swivel mount and the GoPro Shorty. It came in a bundle together, and I was like, might as well get this because it's basically like I'm getting like a free carrying case. I got this after I got the big case because I knew I was getting like the chesty mount and the floaty grip, and I have extra batteries and things like that. So I got this. It was half off, like 50% off at my local Walmart. So make sure you guys check your local Walmart. At mine, they had like batteries on sale. They had a lot of GoPro mounts on sale. Check like the clearance aisles, all of that in the electronics section. But this one is like a hard shell, kind of water, I'll say water resistant. It's not waterproof. Don't submerge this in the water. This is like if you have a bigger carry. So you got like a suction cup, you got the chesty, you got the floaty grip, then you already have your vlogging set up, you got your extra batteries and like your power bank and stuff like that. This would be good for it. You just have to figure out how to like configure it. But then this one will be good for if you just mainly have like a vlogging setup and then like the floaty grip and a couple extra batteries. I put all of that in here. This mainly stays on my backpack, so this doesn't take up any room. But mainly what'll be in here is the extra batteries, the GoPro, or I have like the GoPro vlogging kit in my hand, the extra batteries, the floating grip, and the power pack. And I'll show you the inside of this. I have stuff in it right now, but still show you the inside. It's basically a very small compartment. And then you have zipper pocket up here. Have an extra like SD card, charging cables for the GoPro batteries and the battery pack, and like thumb screws. And then this one have the GoPro lens cap, but it comes with like Velcro and stuff, and you can configure it. And then it comes with an extra little bag, so you can put like the thumb screws, SD cards, batteries. I don't have it in here right now because I just had the chesty mount, but yeah, you have a lot more storage in this one, and it's hard shell, keep that in mind. And then this one is like very soft. So that is going to be it for today's video. Let me know what GoPro accessories you use and let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. Stay safe. It's your girl Jalea. I'm out. Peace.